Now we'll start topic number 9, which is spices, general characteristics, and classification of the subclasses. Definition: Pisces are cold blooded, aquatic vertebrates with gills for respiration and fins for locomotion. This group includes both cartilaginous fishes and bony fishes, with their scientific name. General characteristics of Pisces: aquatic habitat. They inhabit marine and freshwater environments, adapted for active swimming and aquatic respiration. They have streamlined body, reduces resistance during swimming, covered with scales except in some. Paired and unpaired fins, used for balance, steering, and propulsion. Median fins, dorsal, anal, and caudal, and paired fins, pectoral and pelvic. Gills for respiration. No lungs, gills extract oxygen from water, and operculum covers gills in bony fishes. Next, we have cold-blooded. This is a characteristic of Pisces. They are cool-blooded. Body temperature varies with environment. They have two chambered heart, one auricle and one ventricle. They have lateral line system, sensory organ that detects water currents and vibrations. They also have scales present in most species. Types vary with subclass. They excrete via mesonephric kidneys, ammononetlic or excretes ammonia. This is what the meaning of this word is. We'll talk about the reproduction part. Usually, the dioecious, external or internal fertilization, oviparous or oviviparous. Ovoviviparous. It's ovoviviparous. Classification of Pisces. They have first subclass or chondrocytes or cartilaginous fishes. They have cartilaginous skeleton. They have mouth ventral, jaws well developed, 5-7 pair of gill slits, and no operculum. They have plesioid scales, no swim bladder, internal fertilization, and males have claspers. Example is stingray, dogfish, and great white sharks. Next is subclass 2, bony fishes. They have bony endoskeleton. They have mouth terminal. They have 4 pairs of gill slits covered by an operculum. Cycloid or actinoid scales. Swim bladder present for buoyancy or buoyancy. If you don't know what buoyancy is nothing but the property of an object, of course, to float on the surface of water. Or simply in scientific term, it can be also defined as buoyancy as, okay, the property in which your a particular body is able to apply force equivalent to the pressure of water, or the force due to the pressure of the water, which keeps them afloat. External fertilization is common here. Example, rohu, which is also called as labio, catla, then hippocampus, seahorse, and exotis, flying fish. We are done with topic number 9 here. And now we'll come to the final topic, which is topic number 10. We discuss about the fins, scales, swim bladder, Webrian ossicles, parental care, and migration in fishes. Number A. Types of fins in fishes. Fins are appendages used for locomotion, balance, and steering. Median, unpaired fins. They are present along the body's midline. Dorsal fin for stability and defense, anal fin balances for balance, and caudal fin, main organ of propulsion, which is nothing but also called as tail fin. Paired fins, homologous to tetrapod limbs, pectoral fin for steering and braking, pelvic fins for assist in turning and stopping. Chondrochites have stiff fins without bony support, and osteochites have bony, flexible fins supported by fin rays. Now we'll discuss about the types of scales in fishes. Now, the type is placoid, which is found in cartilaginous fishes, example sharks. The structure is like tooth-like, pointed, and with dentine and pulp. Cycloid, present in bony fishes like labeo. The structure is thin, smooth-edged, and concentric rings. And ctenoid or ctenoid, which is present in advanced bony fishes like perch, similar to cycloid but with comb-like projections. We have ganoid, primitive bony fishes, example polypetris, rhomboid, hard, shiny with ganoid. Number C is swim bladder, an air-filled sac used for buoyancy regulation in bony fishes, which is derived from embryonic gut, allows the alloys no allows the fish to maintain its position without swimming constantly. Excuse me. Types. Now, this particular term, physostomus, connected to gut via pneumatic duct, which is example is labio, right? And pyocytilis, not connected to gut, and gas exchange via blood, example is purse. I might pronounce them completely wrong. Please keep in mind, and I've underlined these important scientific terminologies. However, this is absent in cartilaginous fishes. They rely on oil in liver and constant swimming for buoyancy. Number D is Vibrio ossicles. They are a small chain of bones connecting the swim bladder to inner ear in some bony fishes. Example, uh, there's no example out here, but okay, this is what it means. Now they act as sound amplifier and enhances hearing capacity found in catla and labio. These are the examples, yeah. And other cyprints. Order is this: Osteophysi. They are composed of four bones: tripus, introcalarium, and scapium, and claustrum. The sources of this definition is from Raven and Johnson, Hildebrand, Structural Adaptation for Acoustic Sensitivity. These are two references through which we explain the Vibrian ossicle. Now we have parental care in fishes. It's quite uncommon in most fishes, but seen in selective species, involves protection and nurturing of eggs or young. Example is seahorse. Male carries the embryos in a brood pouch. And this is tilapia. It's tilapia, I think, and I might pronounce it wrong again. Sorry. Mouth brooding, where eggs and fry are kept inside the mouth. An abyss builds bubble nest and guards the nest aggressively. Catfishes often guard nest or burrow for eggs. According to Jordan and Verma, parental care increases survival, but it's energy costly. Now we have migration fishes. Fish migration refers to seasonal or periodic movement between habitats for breeding purposes, feeding, and or overwintering. Types is this: anadromous migration from sea to freshwater to spawn. Example is Hilsa salmon. And catadromous migration, sorry again for the pronunciation mistake, from freshwater to sea to spawn. So the migration from freshwater to sea is called catadromous migration. Example is Anguilla, also known as European eel. Amphidromous, movement between sea and freshwater, not related to breeding at all. And then we have Potamodromous, within freshwater only. Example, Masir. Oceanodromous, entirely within the sea. Example is tuna. Factors influencing migration: temperature, salinity gradients, breeding instincts, food availability, hormonal changes, which include thyroid and gonadotroph- gonadotrophins. Yeah. And yeah, by this we are done with the entire unit 1, and we have covered both topic 9 and 10 in this video, and we are completed from topic 1 to 10 here. And now we'll move on to the next unit, which is unit number 2.